Hi, welcome to True North Chevrolet's YouTube channel. My name is Charlie.
And my name is Nick. And today we're going to do a complete walkthrough on how to unlock and start your vehicle when your remote key fob is dead. Okay guys, so the first step of the process, of course, your vehicle's locked, your remote key fob's dead, how do you get in? So this part's pretty universal. I'm just doing it on Malibu right now. It's going to be very, very similar on the SUVs and the other cars. Now it's going to be a little bit different on the trucks. The trucks will typically just have the keyhole right there, make it nice and easy, but it's a little bit hidden behind this trim on the other smaller vehicles. So I'm going to show you how to do that and then get into how to start it. Okay guys, so to start off, what you're going to do, go over to the driver's door. You're going to see a rectangle cut out just right underneath that trim piece. You're going to grab your key fob. There's a silver button on the side. Press that, pull this out. So now you have the key. Go over to the door, just slide this in the hole. Be very careful not to scratch the paint, and if it's your first time ever taking this trim piece off, it could be hard to come off. So what you're going to do is just lift upwards, and the trim piece should come off. Open just like that. Perfect. Now grab the key, put it in there, and just unlock your vehicle.
We are now going to show you on the screen a list of all of our models with a timestamp for you to be able to go through our video and stop it to the according model that you're looking for. So stay with us and we will go through all the information that you need to make this happen. We are now in the Equinox. Same as the Blazer, you are going to take your key fob, lay it down flat. So face of the fob up and down in the first cup holder. You have the two, the first one. Press on the brake and start the vehicle.
Okay guys, this time I am inside the Chevrolet Silverado with the bench seat. So you have the 6th seat up here. Now this is going to be the same one if a Tahoe Suburban 2500 HD or 3500 HD has the bench seat in the middle. So what you do is when you lift that up, go underneath here, and you're actually going to see a little slot here that even has a picture of the key. I'll put a picture of that on screen here. You put your key down, and same as always, put your foot on the brake and go ahead and start your engine. Alright guys, we're now inside the Traverse. So again, you have your key fob here. This one is going to be inside the center console, so open that up. You're going to take this out. To make it easier to find, there's probably going to be a piece of felt at the bottom here. It's like this. Take that out as well, just so you can see there's going to be an outline at the bottom where again you grab the key fob, put it flat, and lay it down there. Same as always when you start your vehicle, press on the brake, remote start, and it should start right up. Okay everyone, we're inside the Colorado now. So what you're going to do, grab your key fob flat. This one's going to be in the right cup holder, so make sure it's the one on the passenger side. Face that down just like that as normal, put your foot on the brake, and go ahead and hit that start button.
Hi everyone, I am in the Tahoe. This one will be the same as the Suburban, and specifically when you have the center console and the bucket seats. So you're going to take your key fob face up in the right cup holder closest to the passenger. You're going to put it down. You're going to step on the brake as usual and start your vehicle.
All right, guys, we're now inside the HD series truck. So this is going to be your 2500 and 3500. This is specifically for the ones with the center console and the 2 bucket seats. To do that, you just grab your key, face it up like this, and just put it in the left cup holder on the driver's side. From there, you just start your vehicle as normal, foot on the brake, and go ahead and hit that start engine button.
Okay everyone, we are in the Trax. This is going to be the same thing for the Trailblazer also. You have your key face forward again. We have an area here for storage. There's an indented area that's a little bit lower. This is where you're going to be putting the key. From there, press the brake and start the vehicle. Hi everyone, we are now in the Camaro. We are going to grab the key again with the face up. We're going to go to the rear cup holder and place it down. Step on the brake and start the vehicle.